Hi dear students, welcome to Divya's Zoo class. Today our topic is simple Mendelian traits in man. Mendel, Gregor Johann Mendel. He is a scientist. He conducted different type of experiment in plants, animal as well as in man also. A man has a number of characters. We can follow the law of Mendel, that is called simple Mendelian traits. So now we are going to learn about some important diseases is coming under by simple Mendelian traits. The first one albinism, second one eye color, and the third one sickle cell anemia. Albinism means it's a completely absence of melanin pigment in skin, hair and eye. Skin, hair and eye. So the persons are resembling like a white people. The persons are resembling like a white people. The skin is resembling like reddish white color. At the same time the iris region is full occupied by blood vessel, that is blood cells it will be present, so the person cannot be see the sunlight. A poor vision it will be the person highly sensitive to light, that is called photophobia. At the same time hair that is pale straw in color. So this and all the major characters of the albino people. At the same time albino people we can easily find out in the fetus condition, nearly 16th week to 20th week we can find out it. At the same time nearly 70% of the cases of albinism it is occur in America as well as China. So albino people, the person easily they can get the disease that is called skin cancer. So albinism it is a simple Mendelian character. So Mendelian character means normally we know that two important characters there. One is called dominant character, another one recessive character. For the dominant character we can call it as capital AA. This is called dominant character. So a recessive character we can call the small a, that is called recessive character. Even the capital and small it will be there, means that is called heterozygous albino. So heterozygous albino. Now we are going to cross the heterozygous albino. It is a parent. It is a parent. If you are crossing, what is the result of the first generation we can get it. So if the capital A and capital A we can cross, means we can get capital A and the capital A and small a we can cross, means capital A and small a. After small a and small capital A we crossed, means capital A and small a, and finally small a we crossed, means small a. It is the result of the F1 generation. So this is called non-albino people. This is also non-albino people. This is also non-albino people, and finally we can get the albino people. So here albino people, how we can get it? This is the heterozygous. Non-albino and albino, both also it will be present in the parents. If we cross the parents like that, we can get the result of the albino people. So this is called the albinism in the Mendelian traits, Mendelian character. And the eye color also resembling like that only. Eye color means the dominant character we can call it as the brown color eye, and the recessive character we can call it as blue color eye. So the brown color eye and blue color eye, this two we can cross also. Finally one of the results we can get in the F1 generation, blue color. So what is the reason? The Mendelian character, if we crossed one generation it will be expressed. Even we know that our parents having curly hair, but ourselves is not having a curly hair. Sometimes our daughters or son they can get the curly hair. So it is a subsequent generation it will be suppressed, but anyway in one generation it will be expressed. That is called Mendelian character. And the sickle cell anemia, eye color means blue color. At the same time brown color eye. Brown color eye is the dominant character. Blue color eye is the recessive character. And the sickle cell anemia, we know that normally what is mean by anemia? Anemia means the destroyed or the less amount of RBC content in the human body. That is called anemia. Sickle cell anemia means normally in our blood cell, the shape of the blood cell like round or then biconcave along with white blood cell. This is called RBC. This is called WBC. But if the sickle cell anemia means the RBC, it will be changed like a sickle shaped. You know what is mean by sickle? It will be changed into a sickle shape. So then the sickle cell anemia, normally the RBC, it will be carrying the oxygen. If it is changed into sickle shaped, it cannot be carrying the oxygen properly. So it automatically the person, they can get the different type of problem in the human body like head pain, at the same time brain damage, heart damage, liver damage, organ damage, it will be occur. Finally it leads to death also, maybe it will be occur. That is called sickle cell anemia. So sickle cell anemia, it is also coming under by Mendelian character, symbol Mendelian characters. Here the sickle cell anemia we can call it as HbS. Yes means it is sickle cell anemia. Normally HbA we can call it as a normal, that is a dominant character. A we can call it as the dominant character. Yes we can call it as the recessive character. Hb, that is hemoglobin. Hemoglobin, we know that it will be carrying the oxygen. So sickle cell anemia, the normal RBC, it will be changed into sickle shaped. So it is automatically affecting in the organs. Finally it leads to death. Normally we know that in our blood cell, the lifespan is 120 days. If the sickle cell means the lifespan is 10 to 20 days. So after what happened, automatically the cells, it will be died. It cannot be producing the proper cells. So fastly it maybe it leads to death. It will be occur maximum in children's. So if the children's means nearly 4 months or 5 months, easily we can find out it's sickle cell anemia. So it cannot be cured, but we can treat some different type of treatment we can give. Okay, so that is called sickle cell anemia. Here also the same character, dominant and recessive character, it will be but the recessive character anyway in one generation it will be expressed, that is called sickle cell anemia. This three also, albinism, eye color, sickle cell anemia, anyway one generation it cannot be expressed, surely it will be expressed one more generation, that is called Mendelian traits. That is symbol Mendelian traits in man. More than RH blood groups, this and all we can say the example, taste of the blindness, this everything we can say the examples of the Mendelian traits. If you like my channel, you can subscribe it and you can click a bell icon, you can get the notification. Thank you.